What's the meaning of Central Daylight Time? Central Daylight Time. Central Daylight Time.
Central Daylight Time. Central Daylight Time. Central Daylight Time, CDT, is a time zone that is used in parts of North America. It is 5 hours behind Coordinated Universal Time, UTC-5. During Daylight Saving Time, which is usually observed from early March to early November, the Central Time Zone is switched to Central Daylight Time, which is UTC-4. This means that during this period, clocks are set forward by 1 hour, resulting in a later sunrise and sunset. CDT is used in regions including the central United States, Mexico, and Canada's Manitoba province.